Are you the best ironing boards? Ironing boards are essential tools for maintaining wrinkle-free clothing and ensuring a polished appearance. Whether you're a frequent ironer or someone who occasionally needs to touch up garments, choosing the right ironing board can significantly impact your ironing experience. In this review, we compare 5 models ranging from budget-friendly to premium options, evaluating their features, performance, and value for money. Product 1. Witmore Tabletop Ironing Board. The Witmore Tabletop Ironing Board is a compact and lightweight option designed for small spaces and quick touch-ups. Featuring a durable steel mesh top with vented holes, it enhances steam flow for faster wrinkle removal. Its retractable hook allows for convenient hanging, while the foldable steel legs ensure easy storage. The scorch-resistant cotton cover and foam pad offer a reliable ironing surface, making it ideal for travel or dorm use. At $19.83, this is the most budget-friendly option in this comparison. During testing, the Witmore Tabletop Ironing Board performed well for light ironing tasks, but struggled with heavier fabrics due to its smaller size. Stability was adequate for a tabletop model, thanks to the no-skid protectors on the legs. However, the compact dimensions limit its usability for larger garments or extensive ironing sessions. Its portability and ease of storage make it a great choice for users with limited space or those seeking a secondary ironing board for quick touch-ups. Product 2. Honeycan Over-the-Door Ironing Board. Foldable. The Honeycan Over-the-Door Ironing Board offers a space-saving solution for small apartments or dorm rooms. Its durable steel frame provides lasting support, while the foldable design allows for easy storage. Equipped with cushioned bumpers, it protects doors and walls from scratches. The 100% cotton cover with a 7mm foam pad ensures a soft, heat-resistant ironing surface. This model is ideal for users who prefer an over-the-door setup without permanent installation. In practice, the Honeycan ironing board delivered consistent results for standard ironing tasks. Its smooth folding mechanism and secure lock were user-friendly, though the setup required assembly. The board's compact design is a major advantage for those with limited floor space, but the door-mounted nature may not suit all users, especially if the door is frequently used or has a non-standard size. Overall, it's a practical choice for space-conscious users. Product number: Bartnelli Ironing Board. Space-saving. The Bartnelli Ironing Board is a full-size professional-grade option designed for stability and precision. Its reinforced steel legs and non-slip clips ensure a wobble-free ironing experience, while the patented folding system allows for effortless setup. The strong mesh top facilitates even heat distribution, delivering wrinkle-free results for heavy fabrics. With adjustable height settings, this board accommodates users of varying preferences. The Bartnelli board excelled in stability and performance during testing, making it suitable for larger ironing tasks and heavy fabrics. However, its heavier weight and lack of foldability may pose challenges for storage in small spaces. The sturdy build and professional quality results justify its higher price point, but it may not be the best choice for users prioritizing portability or compactness. Product 4. Metal Mesh Panel Tabletop Ironing Board. The Zoe's Homeware Metal Mesh Panel Tabletop Ironing Board offers a near full-size ironing experience in a compact design. Made from high-quality metal mesh, it provides excellent ventilation and heat dissipation. The 8mm thick cotton pad and heat-resistant cover ensure smooth ironing results. At only 2 inches thick when folded, it's a space-saving solution for small laundry rooms or dorms. In testing, the Zoe's Homeware board impressed with its sturdiness and flat ironing surface, outperforming many other tabletop models. Its lightweight design and foldability make it easy to store, but the smaller size may limit its suitability for larger garments. The durable construction and smooth ironing experience make it a strong contender for users seeking a compact yet reliable board. Product 5. Gillas Ironing Board with 2-tier storage basket. The Gillas ironing board is a premium model featuring a full-size ironing surface, two-tier storage racks, and smooth rolling wheels for mobility. Its wood and metal construction ensures durability, while the three-layer padded cover provides a heat-resistant surface for wrinkle-free results. This multifunctional design doubles as a storage shelf, making it ideal for compact spaces. During testing, the Gillas board stood out for its versatility and robust build quality. The wheels made it easy to move between rooms, and the storage racks added convenience for organizing ironing accessories. However, the assembly process was slightly more complex compared to other models. Its premium features and sturdy design make it a great choice for users seeking a multifunctional ironing board, though the higher price may deter budget-conscious buyers.